And they're off. Sa totoo lang, draws for your lead, dugo, anak, papato, bahala na. Comes next, then comes War Alert moving up so gorgeous, while Bonjing Legacy is in behind them. Heading towards the last 800, dugo, anak, papato. Draws for your lead and Dottie outside. Isa totoo lang, down in third, bahala na. So Gorgeous running in fourth and War Alert second last, while Bonjing Legacy is still riding at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 450. Now we have Sa Totoo Lang, bahala na. Dugo, anak, papato is by the rail, So Gorgeous and War Alert, and Bonjing Legacy still in behind them as they swing for home. Sa totoo lang, bahala na. Dugo, anak, papato is by the rail, and War Alert moving up with the last 150 more to run. Sa totoo lang, bahala na. War Alert moving up on the outside. Sa totoo lang, bahala na. War Alert moving up with a late charge, and finally it's going to be bahala na, close between War Alert, Sa Totoo Lang, So Gorgeous, Dugo, Anak, Papato.